What is this? Okay, so I was supposed to be doing an unboxing of the new HP OMEN. This is not a box. I mean, it is a box. How am I gonna get this out of here? Okay, I can't even move this. I can't believe that they froze a computer in a block of ice. This is fantastic. This might be the coolest unboxing that I've ever done. All puns intended. Congrats on receiving your metaphor. Now get to melting. Okay, so first of all, a huge thank you to HP for sponsoring this video. They were like, Justine, we'd love for you to review our new HP OMEN 45 liter with new cryo cooling. And I was like, cool, great, love it. And when they told me that the delivery was happening this morning, this is not what I expected. So I guess we need to get the computer out before we unbox, set it up to do the review. Okay, I've got tools for this. Ice pick. Okay, well, I don't want to be here all day. I need to do the review. Let's see what else I've got. Oh my goodness! What? I'm so happy. This is incredible. Take a break, my finger hurts from flaming.
Well, that was fun, but it's still frozen.
This is a little gift that I just got. It's a little tiny chainsaw. I need some safety glasses. Look at that! So now I see how like ice sculpting can be really fun. Like this is, oh my God, do I have a new hobby? I don't have time for new hobbies. Look at that! Oh yeah, we're making progress now. No, we're not. I think I need a bigger chainsaw. Like, let's be real. Like this, if I want to start getting into carving and making beautiful art, this is great, but this is not gonna get the job done. Oh yeah! Getting so close to the box. Oh boy. Oh, we hit box, we hit box. We hit box. Oh man, I mean, we're so close. I'm gonna just get this whole chunk off right here. Seems as though things are happening. Oh, look at that. Oh! I need like a shield. Oh man! I got an idea. Save that for a nice drink later. Oh, that did nothing. That did nothing. Oh, that did something. Oh! Oh! Did you see those quick feet? I'm gonna get my gloves. I got it, we're good. Everyone, everything's fine, Okay, well the ice is removed. I think I can just lift this out of here. Oh! This is a mini ice skating rink for ants. I have plenty. So as you can see, I have everything all set up. That was probably one of the most fun unboxings that I've ever done. I actually had to change my clothes because everything was completely soaking wet from the ice that had melted. So now that we're here, it's all set up. I have a bunch of games installed. And with this new cryo chamber, this is allowing this new HP OMEN 45 liter desktop to be one of the most cooling efficient machines that HP has ever made. So the first thing that you're gonna notice is this PC definitely has a very different look, and that's because they have the new cryo chamber up up on top here, and that's going to be giving you so much more space inside of the chassis, where normally you would have the entire cooling system, but they've done a really great job of kind of integrating it into the top and kind of making it look like a piece of art. Not only looks cool, but it's actually efficiently cooling this entire PC as you use it. And this is really exciting, especially for people who are doing a lot of processor intensive things. Maybe you're a big gamer, or you're doing video editing, or you're doing 3D rendering, whatever it is. If it is something that is processor intensive, you obviously do want a machine that is efficiently being cooled, thus giving you better performance. And as someone who has overclocked their PCs in the past, this cryo chamber is enabling the best overclocking with their pre-built systems. The OMEN 45L is powered by the 12th gen Intel Core i9 processor with a new hybrid architecture that matches the right core for the right workload. So background tasks won't interrupt anything that you're actually doing on your computer at that time. Whether it's playing video games or exporting a video, this will be able to make sure that you're running at peak performance at all times. Another thing that you'll notice is because the cryo chamber is housing a lot of the cooling properties, the inside chassis of this leaves you so much more space for customizing and upgrading. So as you can see, this cable management is also pretty impressive. All I know is if I was in charge of this cable management, it would look like my office, and that's not a good thing. So the 45L has maximum thermals for maximum performance, and this can fit up to an NVIDIA 3090. It has a 120 watt Intel CPU. You can install up to 64 gigs of RAM and up to 2 terabyte PCI NVMe SSDs with direct storage. It supports Intel Cryo technology. It's got plenty of overclocking headroom and capabilities. Obviously, it has incredible RGB lights, which is one of the things that I'm a huge fan of, and they're also customizable. This is cool because I can actually see my monitor and my desktop, and this will allow me to customize all of the colors and how I want the lights to perform. If I interact with each piece, it'll change the colors and how they react to various situations. You could definitely play with this for hours. There are honestly endless patterns and colors and combinations that you could make, but I think I'm just gonna keep it a static pink for the rest of this video. You can tell on the bottom that they have some higher feet, which this will help out with some more air intake, so they clearly are taking all things cooling into consideration. It also has this really nice removable dust filter right here on the front, and that's super easy to get access to. I love that you're able to access the internals from both sides of the machine. So there is a little button over here on the back that will give you access to the back side of it, and this little glass front piece is also accessible from the front. I love that they really took into consideration that people nowadays, like, we're not just buying these pre-built computers and leaving them. It's so easy to do solid state upgrades and RAM upgrades. So basically buying a really nice pre-built machine, especially something like this with so much room for upgrades, is kind of the way to go now. Obviously, yes, building from scratch is pretty fun, but for most people, I feel like this is the perfect solution. So I was also talking about the customizable LEDs, and this is really cool. So in the OMEN Gaming Hub, this gives you access to not only a bunch of games, but also their light studio. And this is actually even an HP OMEN monitor that I was borrowing from my sister because she has done a bunch of videos with HP in the past, and I was like, hey, you have that HP OMEN monitor, can I please borrow it? So she brought this over, and this also has customizable lights as well. Also in the OMEN Gaming Hub, you can check out all of the system vitals. You can see your GPU, CPU, and you can see how much RAM you're using. You can also adjust your settings. So if you would like to enhance your performance controls, we can click to turbo. You can also manually adjust your thermal controls. Oh yeah, we have liftoff now, baby! The Gaming Hub will also give you access to overclocking. Obviously, they're suggesting this to be for experts only. Combined with the ADLS platform, the cryo chamber is enabling the best overclocking amongst pre-built systems. So now it's time to play some games and really test this out. I have a bunch of games already installed. I'm going to turn max settings on for all of them because obviously we need to test this thing and push it to its limits. Now, unfortunately, I can't show you gameplay in this video because it is a sponsored video and it's really hard to get clearance from every single publisher to use the footage in my video. So I'll kind of be giving you guys a play-by-play as I'm actually playing and tell you what I'm seeing and what I'm experiencing. And now, let's get to it. Now this is is running on the GeForce RTX 3090. We have 64 gigs of RAM and running the 12th gen Intel Core i9 processor. So this is pretty much set to go. We are in full gaming mode now, so let's do it. Alright, so the gameplay looks incredible, but my skill level clearly is lacking. Jeez. No judgment. Also, this keyboard is incredible. This is my first time gaming on this keyboard. Tyler modded this incredible mechanical keyboard for me, and it is so... God, this is incredible. So like I said, I mean, our settings are pretty much completely maxed out. I turned everything that I possibly could to ultra, so... Okay, hold on a second. I gotta show this guy what's up. Or girl. Guy, girl, dude, person, dudette, whatever. Who are you? Come on now, come on now, come on. We might actually win this. Or we might not. Oh, come on, active camo, you We lost. Okay, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine. There's more games to be played. Has been awesome, and I've been loving the new cryo chamber. I think this is a really great addition to the HP OMEN lineup. Now, my sister is a huge fan of the HP OMEN computers. She also has one, and when she found out that this was going to be here today, she was over here so fast to check it out.
Yeah, we gaming yet? I got my mom. I'm gonna run my LAN party. I'll just be inside waiting.
Okay. Well, thank you again to HP for sponsoring this video. I've been having so much fun playing games and getting a chance to really push this thing to its limits. I'll put a link in the description if you want to get more information about this new HP OMEN 45L desktop with the cryo cooling chamber. This thing is so awesome, and I can't wait to play more games on it. Again, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video.